The internet was under an ear-piercing buzz when the Galaxy S25 hit the market earlier this month. But what caused a split in its fanbase exactly a week after this was the not-so-remarkable launch of OnePlus 13R. The Galaxy S series has a history of winning over hearts for its unmatched performance at a price point that many struggle to afford. The OnePlus 13R also grabbed headlines for bringing compelling performance. The most notable wedge between the two is that the Galaxy S25 comes at least for $800 for the base variant, offering 128GB of storage. On the other hand, the OnePlus 13R saves buyers $200 for being listed at $600 for the base tier with 256GB of storage. What adds to its appeal is that it offers a minimum of $100 trade-in discount for any device in any condition. If you've been awaiting a subtle comparison between the two devices while not keeping in view the difference in screen sizes, then your pursuit should come to a halt here, as GadInsider curated a table comprising the entire vast array of the specs of both the Galaxy S25 and the OnePlus 13R, making sure you don't make an uninformed decision before making a purchase. While the OnePlus 13R offers a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Galaxy S25 goes for a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. The OnePlus 13R is an OLED 120Hz LTPO screen with 6.78-inch and 19.8 to 9 dimensions, while the Galaxy S25 is an AMOLED 120Hz with a 6.2-inch screen. The OnePlus 13R offers a resolution of 2780 by 1265 with a RAM of 12 or 16GB LPDDR5X, storage space of 256GB or 512GB, battery comprising of 6000 mAh and charging speeds of 55 watt with USB-C wired charging options. It offers an Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15.0 OS. The front camera boasts 16MP with f2.4 aperture for the front camera, 50MP f1.8 main, 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide, 50MP f2.0 2x telephoto for the rear camera. The OnePlus 13R comes in Nebula Noir and Astral Trail. As for the Galaxy S25, it boasts a 2340 by 1080 resolution, offering 12GB of RAM, 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of storage, 4000 mAh of battery, and 25 watt charging speed. It boasts an Android 15 and One UI 7. The camera features are a 12MP f2.2 for the front, 50MP f1.8 main, 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide, 10MP f2.4 3x telephoto for the rear camera. The Galaxy S25 comes in Silver Shadow, Navy, Ice Blue, and Mint.